over here to make an impression, and I'm going to do my best. I've got 9 days to do it, and I'm going to be on doing a lot of hard work and on a lot of shows and having lots of interviews.
Barry, this is Barney Nagler, great old friend of mine, and veteran boxing writer, so I'll get a chair for you.
Sure.
Barney.
Here, Barney.
Ready? Barry Mcguigan, welcome to America.
Dave.
Is your first time here?
Yes, it was my first time as world champion here.
I'm Michael P. Siegel, along with Teddy Atlas, and we're at Glease's gym, and we're absolutely thrilled to have with us world featherweight champion Barry Mcguigan. How are you, Barry?
I'm not bad. I'm glad to be here, Mike, and it's nice to talk to you.
One of the highlights in any boxing promoter's career is to participate in the making of a superstar. A rousing welcome for Barry McGuigan.
This is all part of the build-up for McGuigan's fight with Fernando Sosa in late June. They promote personality as much as punching power here, and the boxing establishment has been charmed by McGuigan.
He said he'd like to thank the members of the press.
What is the story about McGuigan in America? Why is there so much interest in him?
Well, basically, the fight fan in New York has always been one who latches on to a hero. And McGuigan is the type of fighter that New York guys, the New York cab driver, the New York bartender, the guy who came over here from the same background as Barry's living in now and associates with him. You know, they root him on, they like him. They like his personality, they like his demeanor and his style as a fighter, and they, you know, it's like looking back on their roots. You know, they more or less feel that he's one of us, even though he's Irish and they're Americans.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, peace be with you.
McGuigan's Catholicism and his commitment to peace in Northern Ireland make him something special here. He was at Mass in St. Patrick's Cathedral early yesterday. His meeting with Cardinal John O'Connor was organised as ever by Irving. Yet there's no doubt of McGuigan's sincerity or its appeal to America.
I'm accepted on both the Protestant side and the Catholic side, and we fight with the peace flag. Where's Duran? Where is he?
McGuigan is sharing the bill in June with his hero Roberto Duran and Thomas Hearns.
Thank you.
The fighters will be touring America together. Yesterday, McGuigan had to come face-to-face with his opponent Sosa. The promotion is unrelenting. Irving is unswerving. There are tickets to be sold and millions of dollars in closed-circuit TV receipts at stake. You seem to be sizing your man up.
Oh, yeah. Take a look at him, see what I can see. I'm trying to look what sort of shape he's in. He's in good shape, very good shape.
You're going to spend the next few days with him?
Yeah.
Are you going to try and keep out of each other's way?
Are you joking me? We're going to go out dancing tonight? No, seriously, no. We'll be spending a bit of time together. It's one of the things I don't particularly like, but that's the way it's got to be, you know. It's all part of the promotion, boy.
Barry.
Yeah.
We're fighting for that entertainment space and dollar. We're trying to get attention. And the press conference is one. Setting up the audience with Cardinal O'Connor is another. Hopefully, we think our chances are slim now because of the Gaddafi situation. We thought we had a good shot at the President of the United States.
With every big fight, there has to be show business. So we have 10 days of show business. But after that, we're going to get down to work.
Let's say the bloke who is, let's say in your country, a rugby fan, or he is a cricket fan. He doesn't care much for boxing, but McGuigan. Well, by God, let's go see the lad fight next time.
Exaggeration is a way of life in boxing, but as McGuigan smiles across America, the man who's beating the promotional tom-toms has no doubt about McGuigan's success. How do you think Barry's doing so far?
I think fabulously sensational. He knows how to pick up on a crowd. I think they know how to react to him. I think it's love at first sight in America. And I think when this tour is over by next week, I think Mr. Reagan better watch to his laurels.
Well, on June the 23rd, it's definitely back to the boxing. The Las Vegas defense against Fernando Sosa. A reminder that you can see it live in the early hours of the morning of June the 24th, our time, on BBC One. Also on the bill, as you heard, Thomas Hearns, Roberto Duran, possibly our European middleweight champion, Harold Graham. One of the greatest lineups in the history of the sport. That's Las Vegas, June the 23rd, live on BBC television, early hours of June